Right, yeah, hello everybody, and welcome to today's video. My name is Rasmus Hamaland, and you are watching Rasmus on a lightning speech. And this one will be about ableism, where I, for 10 minutes or so, will talk about ableism, how it's affected me, my thoughts about it, and so on. So yeah, let's go, more or less. Right. So ableism. Sort of thing to wipe my nose. There we go. Ableism or funkfobi in Swedish. Not sure why I would translate it word. I mean, it's quite an. Yeah, it's a word, really, but I think most get it. So, ableism, how has it affected me? I think it's always been a part of my life in one way or another. I think when I grew up, it was something that I would face and fight a lot on, or rather, ableism. I think what I thought was that I thought that people maybe would think of me that I wasn't able to do certain things, and I wanted to prove to them, and maybe even more so to myself, that yeah, I can do these things. I'm actually able to do these things as much as possible, really. I mean, there was things I couldn't do, and some of those things over time I have learned to accept. Some things I still wish I could do, and it can kind of make me feel a bit sad that I will never be able to do them. And of course, there are things that I have tried my best to train, to try to learn how to either work around them or I don't know, try to learn the skills in some way so that I can be able to do them. What else did I say about that? Yeah. So that I think that is one of the things that has always been one of my major obstacles to come over, and I would say in some ways I haven't come over them yet. There are still a lot of things in my head that says that I'm not able to do this due to my handicap or disability, which I don't know. And again, and I mean, I said before that I have accepted them, but then again, some of the things maybe I should not accept really, and it's been quite an easy way out to just accept it. Okay, I will never be able to do this, so why bother? Then again, I mean, in some cases, I have, when I've gone down and actually learned how to do them, things have gone better, and I have felt better about myself. Like for example, I wanted to learn how to tie a bow tie. Something that I don't know. I think it came out that I was wearing a tie all the time, and I wanted to change it up a little and try to see can I actually tie a bow tie with my stubby little fingers. So yeah, I bought one. I had a lesson there, and then I got back home and started to mix around with it, and yeah, I mean it took a while, but I mean eventually I learned to type, and now I can do it with basically my eyes closed. Should do a video on that at some point. Um, and I guess the same is with training and working out. I guess I was. This maybe a subject for another video, but yeah, for me, working out has really been something that I felt like, okay, I can actually do this. I won't be the strongest or the fastest or anything, but I can do this. I can feel good about myself when doing it. So ableism, how it's affected me. I'm not sure if it's purely ableism or if it's more like a prejudice, prejudice, or something, a word that I can't say. But yeah, due to my disability, I was bullied for a while when I attended this school in the middle of nowhere by a group of people. And their goal basically was to have me kicked out of that school due to my handicap. But yeah, I didn't let them do that. So in that case, I won, more or less. What else is there? I met ableism a couple of times, or maybe, and again, maybe it's just prejudices again. I recall one time I was in this grocery store, and the person behind the counter, or the cashier, asked me if I wanted help to pack my groceries. And I was maybe like 25, 26 at the moment, that I've been living home for the last 5, 6 years, and I was like, no way, I can pack my own stuff. It almost upset me, and I also remember this. I don't think the person had bad intentions, it just became wrong, and yeah, and this other time I was in this other store, and the person asked if could I write my signature on the receipt, and I said, yeah, I can do that. No problem really. So I did that, and yeah, I do face these situations now and then when I feel like I have to prove myself, even if I shouldn't have to do it. And yeah, what else can I say? We can go to stand-up comedy as well. One of these things that I thought that I'd never be able to do stand-up comedy, really. Why? Could I really do stand-up comedy? Me? I look different, I stutter, I have all this kind of, but I did it. And I've done it now for 2 years, more or less. Yeah, exactly 2 years I've done stand-up comedy. And yeah, so far it's been going on pretty good. And there was a time when I didn't want to talk about the issue of my disability. I did it at first, and I the spirit that now I don't want to talk about it, but now I do it again. I make fun of it. I make fun of stuff, and I think I do that a lot to make people think. It sounds so pretentious when I'm saying it, but maybe some sort of truth to it, that I want to make people think. I want to make them understand that, okay, yeah, this is me. This is what I do. So, yeah, and I mean, if you laugh, I hope you can laugh and then think that, yeah, look at that one, he can do it. And I mean, I can do a lot of things. Yeah, I just want to say, as I try to wrap this up, that, I mean, even if I have this disability, I can still do a lot of things, and I fight, I fight so damn much with myself to try to do it. I don't know why I'm saying this. I don't have to. I shouldn't be excusing myself or whatever, but yeah. So I thought I'd share actually last night's gig with you, see what I can do, even if I'm disabled. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see ya.
Hello, big man. Hello. Hello. Here we go. Hello, yeah. I know. I'm disabled, but it could be worse, because I could have been a motivational speaker. Yeah, I went to see one of them once, and I was more motivated to never do it again. Now, that word, disabled, that's funny, I think. We used to be called morons. Then it was morons, idiots, disabled, handicapped, physically impaired, special needs. And then came Green Party politicians, millennials, Too Mary, the list goes on. And hey, don't feel bad for me, because I get disability allowances. I will wake up tomorrow and think, oh yes, I was drunk on tax money last night. Speaking of being drunk, this is a bar. I was in a bar once, and this guy comes up to me and says, "Hey man, you look like a dwarf." So I had better just go in. This other guy comes up to me and says, "Hey man, you look like a deflated sex doll." So I looked him deep in the eyes and said, "Imagine me then as a little boy." I was drunk once in a bar. This girl who was also drunk, she comes up to me and says, "Can I feel your hand?" And I say, yeah. So she starts to feel it, tug it, squeeze it, do her thing, and after a while I can't hold back, so I said, "That's not my hand." Yeah, big man. You know what, big man? Tonight is actually the second anniversary of my stand-up comedy debut here. Yeah. I remember my first gig here. I was drunk. I was nervous. And when I got off this stage, I thought, that was nice. to lose that virginity at least. Yeah, ladies. The unlucky one of you who will take my virginity will be the face of take one for the team. Yeah, I know. I'm a real motherfucker. Because my mother's cunt is the only one I've ever been in. And I'm recording this. And this will start. Oh yeah. Yeah, and it was actually my birthday quite recently. Yep, so I made a big party. I invited all my friends, and due to the coronavirus, nobody came. Business as usual. So yeah, I went to the grocery store on my birthday to buy something to cheer myself up. So I got my stuff, and when I got to the cashier, the person there, she looked up at me and says, "How are you, really?" So I looked at her, looked at what I bought, saw a frozen pizza, a Kinder Egg, and a non-alcoholic beer, and thought, "Happy birthday, Rasmus." I said, "I'm fine, thank you." One last thing before I go. As you might understand by now, yes, I see a psychiatrist. A psychiatrist is the word. And I said to her, "I want some antidepressants." She said, "No." I said, "Come and see my stand-up." And now we're both of them. Thank you, Benjamin West.